Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove a Nissan Bluebird T72 or T12 door card. So first of all, start by prying this piece from the door with use these so that you don't hurt the plastic. Then remove that, and then remove this retaining clip that is right here. Then after this, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove this screw. And then there's also another screw with the same screwdriver, Phillips. Remove it there. Just loosen it, because this will come out, as you can see. Then just slide this from the top, and as you can see, there is the screw we just released. Then use a screwdriver to remove this light. Once you remove the screws, this will come out, and then just pull the housing outside. And now just disconnect the wiring cable that's coming here. Just squeeze it like this and then pull it out. It comes out. Then, depending if you have a right-hand drive or left-hand drive, mine is left. In here I only have one switch, but if it's a right-hand drive, then you have all the switches, just like I have on the other side. But it's the same procedure, so just lift up from the front. I'll use a plastic prying tool to lift this up from the front. This is really important. Yeah, you have this this metal here that keeps it in its place, and then you can just push it forward and it's out. Now let's release the connector. I think it's squeeze and pull. See if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, squeeze and pull, and now you can take it out. Now you need to use the plastic prying tool to pry this out. This is a little bit hard to remove, but just go pry on the sides, and you need to do some force, but it will come out. And now, once you released all of those things, now all you need is to just pry this open. So do some force, pulling it just like this, and go prying the door cards all the way. So I started prying here. Like this. Hopefully you don't break the clips. Okay. As you can see, you just pull it out, and then pull it out like this and up. So I guess I'll need two hands, but just out and up. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so I couldn't record with just one hand, but then I just pulled a little bit out and then up, and this thing just slide out, and hopefully do the same on this side. And it's out. Fortunately, I didn't break a single clip, so they're all intact, which is good. So as you can see, there are clips here, one here, and then all the way on the side and on the bottom. So I started to pull it here and carefully all the way. There are no, the last clip on the top is here and the other one is here, so make sure these two are removed, so then you can just pull it up.